Estimate TCO savings on EVS with FSX for ONTAP. Amazon EVS leverages hyper-converged infrastructure, meaning compute and storage scale together. When storage needs exceed the host capacity, unnecessary compute will be added, driving costs up without gaining performance. Using Amazon FSX for NetApp ONTAP as an external data source allows you to add the amount of storage you need without adding unnecessary compute. Let's see an easy way to estimate the savings gained with Workload Factory's TCO calculator. Navigate to the VMware section, click Explore Savings. On the left, use the sliders to define your environment's CPU, RAM, and storage requirements and select the billing plan. The TCO calculator now compares two scenarios: Amazon EVS with FSX for ONTAP and without it. And it shows how much you can save by using FSX for ONTAP. Below, you can see a breakdown of the proposed FSX for ONTAP specifications and its cost breakdown. To the right, you can see a cost breakdown detailing the graph calculations without FSX for ONTAP and with FSX for ONTAP, and the estimated monthly and yearly savings. You can also see how many hosts will be saved by using FSX for ONTAP. When you're ready, you can continue to plan and create your migration with the Workload Factory EVS Migration Advisor. Estimate TCO savings on EVS with FSX for ONTAP.